أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل على محمد wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Today is 2nd of May 2026 and it's Saturday. I didn't upload a single video this week. Not I have no valid reason for that. I don't want to say it, but I have to say it that my trading week wasn't that good. So that and I was a bit uh, into more trading. I was reviewing my backtest data and all, and I was just a bit busy and was giving myself some time to think, to observe, to be aware of what's going and I choose this. I don't have to do this. I'm changing the word that I have to be a profitable trader. I have to be successful in this, but I choose to be successful in this. I choose trading to as my career, and inshallah I will be succeed in it. I'll be very successful trader, inshallah, no matter how time it takes. So that's why I will, inshallah ta'ala, will show the previous week, not this week result, the previous week, which was 20th of April to 27th of April. Uh, and unfortunately, this week I didn't even make any weekly goals chart, but uh, yeah, let's just get into the a weekly review. I'm going to do a weekly review. Okay. So let's talk about the trading first, which is the main thing, and then we will talk about the other things. So let's get into the. So I'm right now trading on. I have two main accounts right now. Okay. Let me. I'm right now focusing on two main accounts, which are DNA 5K and 15K instant account. Okay. And the other two accounts are in drawdown. Let me show you. Which is one of them is GFT and the second one is Think Capital. Okay. So as you can see on instant account, I'm in drawdown. The last week on the 7th of yeah, last week uh, was all red for me on this instant account. I cannot trade gold, which I'm trading right now, or nor do uh, Nasdaq. I can only trade forex. I think I can trade gold on it, but uh, its lot size. These are like a limit of lot size, which I don't know. I cannot usually can take a trade on it. Okay, so last week for the instant account, which I was taking on GBP all losses 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and two losses were on on the same day, then and then this. And yesterday I didn't take a trade on GBP. Okay, let's talk about the other on GFT. So GFT, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is the why it's not showing the result? I took this trade on here and it's not showing. So, anyways, I think it did show. No, it did not. So last week I think I took only one loss on GFT. I'm trading gold. Okay, I'm right now only focusing on GBP and gold, not on Nasdaq, because Nasdaq I can only trade on Think Capital, which I am right now in drawdown. Okay, not trading Nasdaq. I'm on Think Capital. I'm trading as well as the gold. Okay, so last week took one loss, and on the uh, last day I took a win, like yesterday, last night. On Think Capital, we are in drawdown. Only $100 to give away this account. You can see, which is 1% of this account. And on DNA, the last week was this. On DNA, I'm trading on GBP, SGH, and as well as gold. So let me show you the last week. On Monday, I took one trade on gold, a loss. Thursday, I took three sell trade, and they were all loss. Okay, last trade it was not good at all. Okay. And then again loss. And last day of the month. Oh, sorry, last day of the week, I took TP. Okay, it was 2 hour. And still draw down like $70 this week, which is all right. And yeah, this was the week. I'm not talking about the. I'm not going to talk about a lot of this. You can see that I'm not. I'm right now in drawdown on every account, and for that, I've been reviewing my backtest data. I'm reviewing my. I was reviewing my trades. I've been reviewing my trades, and one thing more, I've been journaling consistently. You can see on this week. Okay, on the previous week too. Yes, you can see whole week I journal. That's a good thing, and I've been reviewing my backtest data, and I found my mistakes. I found what is high probable, which is what's not high probable, and how can I uh, make less losses as much as can and more wins. And yeah, I've been reviewing my all these losses. At least 60% of the losses are by my mistake, by not placing the stop loss right, by entering early, by by doing revenge trade and all that, and not taking a good trade. So yeah, I reviewed last my previous data and all my trades, and I observed myself what I've been doing from like past 2 3 months. And inshallah ta'ala, I found my mistake, and inshallah ta'ala, I will not do the mistake again. And let's talk about the last Friday. Should I? Yeah, that's I took along. I took along. So daily on the daily chart, we recently took a low, and there was SMT, bullish SMT, as you can see, bullish SMT. It took these lows. No, it didn't took those lows, but gold has, you can see. And on 4 hour chart, there was smooth highs up there, and on silver we were already going to upside. So it was on both sides there was SMT, but I was bullish more. Why? Because we take minute. Let me show. You can see that we took these lows, plus we traded into monthly low, this upper quarter, and respected the lower quarter weekly to the upside. Okay, that's a sign for me of bullishness. Like, okay, that we may not go lower to take this low, but to go higher to take this high, and as you can see on higher liquidity. Okay, same bias, and let's talk about the entry. And that's this trade is my ideal model. This trade what I took last night is the trade which I choose to trade. I choose this model. This is the most high probable model for me, and it's very very smooth. And by I have reviewed a lot, not a lot, but enough. And I've been reviewing. Today I will review a lot more than I did last day or last week, because today is Saturday and I have a lot of time. And inshallah ta'ala, from the next week, inshallah ta'ala, I will come back. Inshallah ta'ala. I know, inshallah ta'ala, this is going to work out. No matter how, and if it doesn't, if it gives me stop losses, I don't care, because I know this by data, I know this by fact, I know this that at the end this model will work out. And that's a man's mindset I'm going to take with me. I'm going to be with. weekly upper quarter plus daily week. 5 minute first presented fair value gap. 1 minute didn't trade into it. 1 minute breaking market structure plus upper quarter plus this upper quarter respected proportional block and up. Okay, very low resistance liquidity net. I entered on GFT here or here. No, here. Okay, here, and on DNA I enter here. Okay, and then we went to the upside. I closed the position on 3RR on the GFT, but not on the DNA. I need to go to this low quarter. I think, yeah, but I did this mistake. I should have, but yeah, I have to experience. I have to for future. These mistakes are to learn. Okay, and we respect this low quarter plus upper quarter of the daily. This is a weekly opening gap. Okay, this yellow, and we then trace it, and yeah, we start consolidating. So yeah, I think that's the week. I inshallah ta'ala. This week loss, profit, loss, missed, no entry, and then last at the last day. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah ta'ala, next week will be better than the last week, inshallah. And I'm more confident, I'm more patient, I am more dedicated. That's the main thing. I'm more dedicated. And yeah, I'm just going to edit this after it, and I will review and will. The main thing for me is right now trading. I have to pick one thing. I have to be a very have to be very logical. I have to be what's the word for that? I don't know, but I have to be very rule based. Yeah, that word would be that word will fit in. Okay, so yeah, this was the trading, and yeah, I will show the other of this week. I'm going to talk about the previous week by reading it from here. Okay, and of this week, let's talk about the previous week. Okay, the workout was done 5 days a week. Backtest was done. Consistently, I've been doing it backtest for like, I don't know, I don't even remember. It's been how long? I've been backtesting consistently. Oh, that's just one day, and yeah. So, acha, review backtest. I reviewed it 3 times. Upload video. Out of 3, I uploaded 2 videos. The third was the weekly review video, which I did not. Meditation, I did 2 times. Out of 4 times, so I didn't complete that. Journal, I did 2 days out of 4, and reading 48 laws of power. I completed that task. I read 15 pages. Man searching for meaning, I read 12 pages. Ziyarat-e Warisa, I didn't complete that. I'm very disappointed by this. And yeah, previous week I did 3 days in a week out of 7 days. Majlis, I listened to a majlis, so yeah, that's a tick. So this week, today I completed the 4th day of the workout. I inshallah I missed 2 days, and inshallah I will complete that before this weekend. Like, I will do workout on Sunday as well, because I already missed the workout day, and the rest days already been happened. So backtest completed, obviously, and review backtest I completed. Yes, I've been reviewing more than 3 times this week. I've been reviewing almost every day the last week. Upload video only 1. Meditation, I did not even did 1 time this week. Journal, maybe 1 time. Reading, yes, I read not as much as I can. Not did the best, but yes, I read books, both of them. 48 laws of power. I read, I don't know how much pages, but right now I don't know. I don't remember. It's 230 something. And 48 man searching for meaning. I've been reading that too. I'm almost at the end of that. Ziyarat-e Warisa, I think at least 4 times this week, not every day. Majlis, yes, I completed. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the next week goals, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, so this was the week, and inshallah ta'ala next week will be better than this week, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, I think that's it. I'm going to now show you the next week goals, inshallah. Hello. So this is the next week, the coming week goals. Workout 5 days, backtest 5 days, review, trades or backtest 3 times at least. Inshallah ta'ala, I'm going to do every day, but at least 3 days. Okay, upload 3 videos. I will try, inshallah ta'ala. Meditation 3 times at least, please. I'm cutting 1 off. to just start it and journal 3 times. Power of your 48 laws of power. I will read 16 pages, inshallah, and then search for winning, inshallah. I will try to complete it this week, which would be 15 pages, inshallah. And the Waris, I'm going to do, inshallah, 6 days this week. Majlis, I'm targeting 2 majlises this week, and hadith, inshallah, I will read 5 pages of hadith book. Okay, so this is the next week goals, and the main this thing is trading, and then my mental health and my spiritual health. So that's the main thing. And beside that, I will try to uh, listen to Arabic lecture too, inshallah ta'ala, which I did not add it here, but I will add it after on that page, inshallah. And yeah, that these are my next week goal, and inshallah ta'ala, uh, I will try to upload videos. I will try to uh, upload more live trades review videos, inshallah ta'ala. So yeah, that I should have added that as well, that I will upload at least 1 or 2 trade review videos. That's very important, and inshallah ta'ala, the next week will be better than the this week. Okay, so that's it, inshallah ta'ala, in the next video, in the coming week. And yeah, I'm not going to give up. That's all. Allah Hafiz.